Speak version equals 1.0 XMLNS equals http://www.w3.org/2001/10/synthesis. XMLNS MSTTS equals http://www.w3.org/2001/mstts. XML lang equals ENUS. Voice name equals NUS Eric Neural. MSTTS, express as style equals serious. Prosody rate equals plus 10%, pitch equals 0 st. A portrait, gilt in an ominous black frame, hung solemnly on a cracked wall within a decayed Victorian mansion's forlorn study, a place where time seemed to have ceased its march long ago. The eyes of the subject stared with eerie lifelike intensity, their gaze forever fixed upon you as though ensnaring your very soul into an unforgiving pact made centuries before. Whispers through oil and canvas, memories alighted in flames without a spark and velvet touch, a spectacle witnessing only the brave or foolish. The eerie crackling emanated from within, drawing gasps as flickering orange tongues danced across haunting eyes that seemed to mock your mortality with each new ignition and extinguishing of flames, a visceral horror painted not upon canvas but into the very air you breathe. The scorched remnants whisper secrets, stories untold, a chilling finale as though this cursed tableau knew no end until your eyes can stomach its terror anew and watch again, for every ember dies out to reignite a nightmare's ceaseless echo. /prosody /mstts, express as /voice /speak